Today is Thursday, January 2nd, 2014. Time is approximately 10:30 p.m. It is snowing. We have approximately, I'd say about an inch on the ground. This is Northgate Townhouses, unit number 3. You can see the number 3 there. This is a condition of the house before the snow plows arrive. Try to get it so it's not so bright here. Let's see. There. Actually, one up. As you can see, the door is okay. They did hit me with a plow blade here some time ago. I have repaired it. So, let's see, I got my lights up here. They're working. I got my little candy cane markers. The dome light is okay. As I said, the garage door is okay. Here's a park bench. More markers. Here's the bush. A big snowdrift coming off of the roof right now. I'm going to come up here to the door. I have some tools here. Hopefully they'll be here in the morning. Here's the door. Notice the window. The window is not broken, chipped, cracked at all. I can get a good angle of that so you can see that. There's no damage to it. Here's the door. Here's my lamp post. All 3 are okay. So that's the condition of the townhouse. Again, 10:30 at night, January 2nd, 2014. Good night.